The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 is not your average pickup truck. It's a bold statement of power, precision, and pure American engineering. Right from the first glance, you can tell this isn't just a workhorse, it's a showpiece for those who crave adventure and demand performance. With its aggressive stance, elevated 2-inch factory lift, and muscular design, the AT4 doesn't just look like it's ready for anything, it truly is. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving through rugged trails, this beast was built to dominate every mile with confidence and style. If you thought luxury and off-road capability couldn't coexist, think again. The Sierra AT4 tears down that wall with its blend of rugged durability, advanced technology, and upscale refinement. It's a truck that can take you deep into the wilderness and still make you feel like you're sitting in a luxury SUV. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 one of the most capable and refined trucks in its class. Under the hood, the AT4 comes standard with a Duramax 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain delivers robust torque for serious towing and off-road traction while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency, something diesel lovers will appreciate. But for those who crave even more muscle, GMC offers an available 6.2-liter V8 engine. It's paired with the same 10-speed automatic, giving you instant power on demand and that classic V8 growl that'll make every drive feel like a statement. No matter which engine you choose, you get the performance, reliability, and confidence GMC trucks are known for. The AT4's 2-inch factory lift and off-road suspension with Rancho monotube shocks make a real difference when the pavement ends. These shocks are designed to absorb the toughest terrain while maintaining smooth control, giving you the freedom to push limits without compromising comfort. The 2-speed auto-track transfer case provides automatic shifting between 2WD and 4WD based on road conditions, while underbody skid plates keep vital components protected from rocks, debris, and whatever nature throws your way. Whether you're tackling muddy trails, rocky slopes, or snow-covered roads, the AT4 is always ready to perform.
But this truck isn't just about brute strength. It's equally about refinement. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that's both rugged and luxurious. The jet black interior with Kalahari accents gives it a warm, premium touch, while the heated and ventilated front leather seats ensure year-round comfort. The attention to detail is undeniable, from the premium stitching to the smart layout that puts everything within easy reach. The Sierra AT4 manages to balance a commanding driving position with a cabin that feels more like a first-class cockpit than a traditional pickup. Technology is another area where the Sierra 1500 AT4 stands tall. Available features like the 15-inch multicolor head-up display project key driving information directly onto the windshield. Speed, navigation, and safety alerts, all without taking your eyes off the road. The infotainment system is crisp and intuitive, offering seamless smartphone integration, voice controls, and multiple USB ports for all your tech needs. GMC's latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and rear cross-traffic alert, bring a layer of confidence and security to every drive, whether you're on the highway or a dirt path. The exterior design of the 2025 Sierra AT4 is pure confidence. The bold front fascia, signature C-shaped LED lighting, and imposing grille design make it instantly recognizable. The raised profile and rugged tires signal it's ready for action, while details like the red tow hooks and AT4 badging reinforce its off-road pedigree. GMC's Multi-Pro tailgate is another standout feature. It's not just a tailgate, it's a multifunctional tool with 6 different configurations to make loading, unloading, and working easier than ever. Combine that with a spray-on bed liner and available cargo bed lighting, and you've got a truck that's just as practical as it is powerful. When it comes to performance, the Sierra AT4 doesn't just talk tough, it backs it up. The Duramax diesel engine offers impressive torque, allowing for effortless towing and hauling. It's smooth on the road, confident off it, and perfectly balanced for both work and play. With advanced trailering technologies like the in-vehicle trailering app and multiple camera views, connecting and maneuvering trailers becomes a breeze. This is the kind of truck that makes every task easier, every adventure more thrilling, and every drive more enjoyable. On the open road, the AT4 feels surprisingly refined. Cabin is quiet thanks to advanced sound insulation, and the ride quality remains composed even on rough terrain. steering is precise, the brakes are responsive, and the suspension setup delivers the perfect blend of control and comfort. Whether you're towing heavy loads or exploring remote back roads, the Sierra AT4 remains stable, confident, and smooth. In short, the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 is the ultimate combination of ruggedness and refinement. It's a truck for those who don't want to compromise. A machine that can climb mountains, haul gear, and still turn heads downtown. Starting at around $66,800, it's not the cheapest option out there, but when you consider the capability, technology, and luxury packed into this beast, it's worth every dollar. So if you're looking for a pickup that redefines what a premium off-roader can be, the AT4 is your answer. It's power, luxury, and adventure, all rolled into one unstoppable machine. Don't forget to subscribe to Gravity Automotive for more deep dives into the latest cars, trucks, and automotive innovations that move the world forward.